Good morning, class. Today we are going to do an unboxing of the new Pulse 3D headset. My first observation is that the box was delivered very badly for Amazon, but that's okay. Now, let's open the box. The Pulse 3D has dynamic audio technology. The sound is emitted in the exact direction. The headset also comes with a microphone and is compatible with PS4 and PC. This headset can be used via Bluetooth lasting around 12 hours or via cable. We particularly find the design of the headset to be a positive point. Here comes an adapter and a charger. Compared to the previous version, headset Pulse 3D is more flexible. Look at this. Its battery lasts 6 hours longer and has a superior microphone with a much better audio.